something I can do to liven up questions as well is I can start to use pictures. Now, there's a couple of ways to do it, and this is one where it puts pictures into a question. So I'm going to have, who is this character? Now, at the moment, this question cannot be answered because there's no way of knowing. So I'm going to add a picture into it. So I'm going to go into the insert picture button that's appeared. And if I have any pictures on my computer, I can upload them. I can take a photo. I can use my webcam. I could find direct links to things. I could search from my Google Drive, or I could use a quick Google image search. Now, this Google image search is the same as going on Google, but it's got the privacy controls on it saying using only pictures. So it's filtering it to pictures that can only be used with image rights. So I'm going to look for Buzz Lightyear. And I think that looks like a good image of him. I'm going to have that one. It's the least scary. I'll click on insert. And it'll bring me up a picture of Buzz Lightyear. Now, I could have this in any way I want. I could have it as a multiple choice question. I could say Buzz Lightyear. I could put Buzz Aldrin. I could put Mowgli. So I could have it as a multiple choice question again. I could, depending on who I was doing this for, I could have it as a very easy multiple choice question or a very difficult multiple choice question. Or I could make this into a short answer one where they have to write his name. So you'd be expecting to see the name there and see how it goes. I mean, it's a nice easy one because he's got his name on him there. So that is how I can add a picture to a question. So make it a picture question. So there is another option. Going back to this question I did here, this one saying, which sister in Frozen has magical ice powers? Now, if I click in this box to edit this question, I could add a picture up at the top, like I did with Buzz Lightyear. Or it could be this kind of question where, oh, I know who it is, but I can't remember what they looked like. So all I'd have to do is if I could click next to the character's name, brings up an adding an image. So I could have an image for each one of these characters. So I'll go to insert image. I'll do a Google image search. I'll go for Frozen Elsa. That probably looks the most like her. So I'll go with that one. So now next to Elsa, I'm going to have a picture of Elsa. And I can put one next to Anna. Google image search. Frozen Anna. That's probably my best bet, that one. I might decide, well, I'm going to get rid of him from the multiple choice question because he's not one of the sisters. I'm going to get rid of him as well. So I've now got pictures next to the questions as well. When I go into preview mode, it will show me up what it'll look like, and I can adjust things about these pictures. I can change and replace them if I want to. But it's just a couple of different ways I could use pictures in a question. That might make this question a little bit easier, whereas this question I could make a bit harder by adding a picture. So that's a way to vary it up and have different options for different types of questions.